Hello and welcome to C language video series, programming using C. Now friends, it's very important to know that C language is the stepping stone for a career in coding or IT development. Okay, so let's see what we have. Before we proceed, let us have a quick check on what kind of information you will be gaining and what is your level of information as of now. All right. Okay, what do we have? Do you know what each of the following operators are known as? Like if you see here, there are four sets of operators like simple plus, minus, star, which is basically a multiplication, slash, which is division, and a modulo operator, etc. And then there are some double is equal to's, and then there's a combination of exclamation mark and is equal to, and so on and so forth, right? So the point is, like, do you know what each category of these operators are known as, right? So this can be one of the thought process or one of the things you are going to learn, and you should know how to actually tackle this, okay? All right, let's see what we have the next one. Okay, do you know exactly what is the difference between a structure and a union? So what do you mean by a structure? How do you write a structure in C language? And how basically it is different compared to a union? When do we use an union, right? So these are certain thought processes, these are certain questions to give you just an idea of why C language is important. All right, the next one is, what is a preprocessor directive, right? What is the importance of a preprocessor directive? Now, this is the foundation on which C language is going to be based on, and all the programming languages which we call it as higher level languages like Java, Python, C++. They are all going to be a part of the family where C is going to be the mother of all the languages. Okay. All right. So there are quite a few programming or coding concepts which are of utmost importance for becoming a successful IT professional. This video training program is designed to get you started with the basic of basic, right? So you are not just going to just touch upon the topics, but just you are going to understand how you start coding. Okay. All right. So we always call C language as the mother of all programming languages, and we are going to look at the theory of that, codes, and examples. Okay. All right. So what is covered in this particular section? Let's see. So we are going to start with preprocessors, variable and data types, input output, decision making, switch case statements, while loop, etc. Okay. And also we are going to look at how the program actually flows, and you're going to learn loops, various types of loops. And one good thing is that whatever you're going to learn in C language is going to become a stepping stone, as I said, or a foundation for C++, Java, and so on and so forth. Okay. All right. So if you look at furthermore topics, we are going to cover our arrays, and then we are going to cover constants and macros and functions, file handling, and so on. And then, friends, after looking at some algorithm basics, data structure basics, linked list, and stacks, you will have exercises and assignment, okay? All right. So as you know now that C language is, as we call it, as the mother of all the languages, let's get the ball rolling, okay? So see you in the video session, and you will have fun. Thank you.